In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a company-wide calendar in Google Calendar. Whether you're coordinating team meetings, tracking company events, or just want to ensure everyone is on the same page, creating a centralized calendar can be a game changer for your organization. First, let's get started by heading over to your Google Calendar. Simply open your browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so to access your calendar. Once you're in your Google Calendar, look over to the left side of the screen. You're going to see a section labeled Other Calendars. Here, you'll want to click on the plus sign button. This is your gateway to start creating new calendars or adding existing ones. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Create New Calendar. This is the step where you'll begin the process of setting up a brand new calendar specifically for your company. Now you'll need to give your calendar a name. In the field provided, enter the name of your calendar. It should be something clear and specific so your team can easily identify it. For example, you might call it Company Events or Team Schedule. After naming your calendar, there's a space for you to add a description. This is optional but recommended. A short, concise description can help provide context for what this calendar is intended for. Think of it as a brief summary that clarifies its purpose to everyone who may be using it. Once you've entered the name and description, it's time to finalize the creation of your calendar. Look for the Create Calendar button and click on it. This will save your new calendar and add it to your list of calendars. With the calendar created, it's now essential to adjust some settings to ensure it's accessible to your team. Go back to your list of calendars and click on the one you just created. This will open the settings specific to this calendar. Scroll down to find the Access Permissions for Events section. Here you'll see a checkbox option labeled Make Available to Public. Check this box to allow your team and others to interact with the calendar. Don't worry, a warning dialog box will appear cautioning you about making your calendar public. Simply click OK to confirm. You can customize the level of access by clicking the drop-down menu next to Make Available to Public. You have two choices here: see only free, busy, hide details, or see all event details. Select the option that best fits your organizational needs. Finally, to share this calendar with others, click on Get Shareable Link and then Copy Link. You can distribute this link to your team, allowing them easy access to the calendar. And that's it, you've successfully created a company-wide calendar in Google Calendar.